Hello everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Crafting with Cosplay Fabrics. My name is Indra, and today I'm going to show you how to make this metallic bra. This is a great alternative if you don't want to make like a foam or metal bra, or if you want something a little bit more detailed. For the materials, I'm going to be using a high temp hot glue gun alongside with hot glue sticks, and that's all that you need as far as putting it together. You don't need anything fancy. I'm also going to be using my fabric scissors, and for the trim I'm going to be using this beautiful silver fay bead lace from the Yaya Han collection, and I'm going to be making some appliques with this. For the bra, I'm just using this old bra that I have. You can just use something that has just plain cups. And for the fabric, I'm going to be using this silver dot stretch fabric, also from the Yaya Han collection. So I begin by just completely removing all of the straps, and I just cut all of those off. You can make your own straps later on that match sort of like the style of the bra that you're doing, because right now all we need is the cups. And then I try to just kind of drape over the cup part with the fabric, just to get a cut of fabric that will cover the whole thing, and then I just glue it on. And the easiest way to do this is just by kind of gluing all the way around until the fabric meets in the middle, and then just cutting that excess off, and then just turning all of those edges on the inside. That way the cup is completely covered. Next is making the appliques, and all I do is just cut the trim right on the meshy part. And this particular trim has beads, so what I do is all of those threads, I just use hot glue to secure them. So you can cut the thread and secure it, and that way you'll still have the beads and they won't be falling off. And you're left with a applique piece, and all that I do is figure out placement, hot glue it on, and I completely cover the cups until I'm happy with it. And once that's done, it's just making the rest of the straps and things that I like. So I recommend you do the same, and I hope that you find this useful. I hope that you like and subscribe, and I will see you soon for another tip, trick, or tutorial featuring cosplay fabrics. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.